Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change date and time settings on MSI Claw. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings. Right here enter time and the language, go for date and time, and here we have two important options, which are set time automatically. When it's on, it will adjust all of the time settings automatically with the network, and if you turn it off, you'll be able to adjust all of the settings manually by clicking on the change right here. And other way, next option is adjust for daylight saving time automatically. Actually, this might not be that important. Sorry, I didn't read that. There's another important thing, which is set time zone automatically. That one is more important than the second option. So anyway, you can also set the time zone automatically by turning it on and off. When it's off, you can choose your time zone manually. And that would be all of the settings. You can also click on Sync Now to synchronize all of the time settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.